Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the DuPage Credit Union app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The DuPage Credit Union mobile app is designed to give members an easy, secure, and convenient way to manage their finances on the go. It's available on both iOS and Android and includes essential digital banking tools such as checking balances, viewing transaction history, transferring money, and paying bills directly from the app. Users can also deposit checks using the mobile deposit feature, manage their cards, set travel notifications, and enable real-time alerts for account activity. The app's main functionality revolves around simplifying everyday banking. With biometric login options like fingerprint or Face ID, users can access their accounts quickly and securely. The interface is designed to be clean and intuitive, making it easy for members to navigate between accounts, make payments, or locate DuPage Credit Union branches and surcharge-free ATMs. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its reliability, smooth mobile deposit process, and the convenience of managing all banking tasks from one place. The bill pay system, card controls, and alert options help users stay updated and avoid issues like overdrafts or unauthorized activity. The app is especially helpful for members who want a straightforward banking experience without unnecessary complexity. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users report occasional app crashes or slow loading times after updates. Mobile deposit limits may vary, and certain advanced features available on the website might not appear in the app. As with any digital banking service, a stable internet connection is required, which could affect performance in low-signal areas. In summary, the DuPage Credit Union app may be worth using if you want a clean, secure, and user-friendly banking tool that covers all essential financial tasks. However, if you need highly advanced budgeting features or experience frequent connectivity issues, it might feel limited compared to more feature-heavy banking apps. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.